Hi, my name is Rich Wells, and I've been a C++ developer for over 20 years. And in that time, I found that trying to keep my codebase clean from bugs is a never-ending effort. Having a buggy codebase causes lots of problems. It can affect your schedule, as some portion of your development team has to stop new feature development to go back and fix critical bugs. It can slow down development in general, as developers will be more wary to make changes when they are working in a buggy and brittle codebase. And it can erode your customers' confidence, both because they are experiencing the bugs and because of your slip schedule on new features while you're fixing those bugs. So what can you as a software developer do to eliminate as many bugs as possible in your code before it gets released? You need to have a multi-layered safety net of tests in place that will catch any bugs that might get introduced. And the first layer of this safety net should be a suite of automated unit tests. Unit tests verify your code at the level of functions and classes. They perform positive and negative test cases at the lowest level of your code. Every line of your production code should have an associated unit test that verifies it's working as expected. Test-driven development, or TDD, is a practice of writing unit tests before you write your production code. This is backwards to the way most developers write code, but it has many benefits. You know every line of production code is working as soon as it's written because you're testing it immediately. If there is a problem, it's easy to track down as you've only written a small amount of code since the last test executed. And TDD gives you and your team confidence to change the code, as you'll know immediately if anything has gotten broken by any particular code change. So how do you go about practicing test-driven development? My online course on beginning TDD in C++ will take you step by step through the basics of what the principles of TDD are, where TDD came from, and how TDD is practiced. I also go through several sample coding sessions so you can see how TDD works in action, and I go over TDD concerns and best practices. The link to my online course is in the description below. Feel free to message me with any questions you may have, and I hope you enjoy the course.